Greetings, welcome to my channel, A Place to Dock. I am Julia. Today we are going to unbox the Primero Tarot. It just arrived in the mail today. It is by Eye of the Beholder, and that is Chrisann Zaubi, and she is on Etsy. And she also sent me all these little cute little buttons. I'll show you them as well. They're cute as a button. Anyways, that's my favorite number, 36, and it has glasses on it. Pretty cool. What are we seeing today? So let's take a look at this deck, and we're going to see what it is all about. Okay. I'm doing this around my camera, just the way it is today. Okay. Okay, so let's unbox this, and let's see what is inside, and look at the cards together. Okay. Okay, I'll show you the back of the box. It is a tuck box. It, is a mix of poker cards and tarot, like the major arcana added in. So it's a full deck. I think there's 80 cards in the deck, it says. So, oh, look at that. See what that right away? Woohoo, gold, gilded. How nice is that? This is going to be amazing. I'm pretty excited. I saw Jen ordered this, Not So Mystical Tarot. So, okay, there's the box. Just so if you want to know what the box looks like, it's a blurry, but hey, it's a box. Okay, and here's the little booklet. And as you can see, I'll move my hands down. You can have a little look at the booklet. A little explanation for each card. I love it, and it's illustrated too, which is just amazing. Diamonds. When the major arcana cards and pages are removed, enjoy the other decks that she has, or other thing. Okay. There you go. That's awesome. Okay, so let's open this up here, and let's take a look at these cards. I'm so excited. Look at that gilded edge. Okay. Woohoo. We're going to start right away with the Ace of Spades. Wow, this is going to be fun. Ace of Spades, Two of Spades, which is Two of Swords. Oh, missed one. Three. I love that. I love the heart with the spade through it. Oh, yeah. And Four of Spades, which is Four of Swords. Five of Swords and Spades. I don't know what you want to call it. Anyway, Six of Spades. 7, 8. I like that. I like that a lot. The 9 of Spades. Beautiful colors. I love the gold, the black, and the green combination. 10 of Spades. Page. He's bringing a message. He's the messenger. The Knight of Spades. Queen of Spades. And the King of Spades. He looks pretty good. Pretty intelligent. Okay, so then we're going to do diamonds. Okay, diamonds. Oh, I just love this. The Two of Diamonds. I love the look on her face. Wow. Three of Diamonds. Four of Diamonds, which is Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. Oh, I just love that. I just love this. These are so pretty. 9 of Pentacles with the bird and the flower. And the 10, the family. And the dog. Looks like Princess Bella. And the Page of Diamonds, Knight of Diamonds, Queen of Diamonds. I like it. Look at the rose in her crown. King of Diamonds. Oh, doesn't that look great? And he's got the Taurus bulls there for grounding. And then we have the clubs, which is the wands. So this is Ace of Clubs. Two of Clubs. Oh, very clever. Very cleverly drawn. What a great artist. Three of Clubs. Wow. Four of Clubs. Four of Wands. Five, competition. Six of Wands. Yay, I did it. Seven. Yes, he's defending himself. Looks very smart. Like, I know what I'm doing. Eight. Wow. You know what? I like it. They are not perfectly parallel. That's lovely. The Nine of Wands, Nine of Clubs, and the 10. The Page of Clubs, going on an adventure. It looks like he's got some kind of passport or ticket to go somewhere. Knight of Clubs, Knight of Wands. He's coming at you straight on. Queen of Clubs, Queen of Wands. See, she's got the sunflowers. And the King of Clubs. Okay, now we have the hearts, which are the cups in tarot. So, Ace of Hearts. I like it very much. Oh, I like that too. Two of Hearts. It's got everything. Caduceus, or whatever you call that. Caduceus. And the Three of Hearts. And you know what? Look at that. See, there's pumpkins. So it's fall and they're celebrating harvest. So it must be happy time there. Four of Hearts. Being disillusioned. Five of Hearts. Oh, look at that. Three broken hearts. And two radiating hearts with the gold lines coming out of them. Wow. Love it. And the Six of Hearts. That's so cute. I love it. And the Seven of Hearts. Lots of options to choose from. Eight of Hearts, walking away with an eclipse. And right now it is in between eclipses. And the Nine of Hearts. 10 of Hearts. See, these are a lot more red themed. I love the colors and how they're implemented in with each suit. Page with the fish. There he is down there. His dreams are bigger than life. Oh, I love it. Knight of Hearts. Knight of Cups. And the Queen of Hearts. She's got a gold helmet on her heart. King of Hearts. And the Magician. Here we go for the Major Arcana. Okay, so these are added to the poker deck. Okay, so the Magician. They're great. I'm going to love working with these. Wow, the High Priestess. She's got the Torah. She's got the moon. She's got the pomegranates behind her. The Empress. Very beautiful. Okay, they're sticking together. Okay, so the Emperor. Very logical looking man. The Hierophant. The Lovers. That's good. It's a card that we can show in places without having to cover up anything. And the Chariot. See, there's still the stars. And here you have his lions down at the bottom. Strength. I love the yellow on there. Okay, more sticking together. And here's the Hermit. A lot of people look at the Hermit to see if they like a deck. Well, I like this Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. And Justice. That's interesting. I don't know if, yeah, those are both her hands. Holding I think these next ones are stuck too. Okay, so the Hanged Man is number 12. Very cool. And we have number 13, that which is not named. In the old decks anyways. And then Temperance. Love the lilies. See, she's still, the pond is there, the water's there, the land is there. Oh, it's excellent. Okay. And then we have the Devil. The tails and the fire and the pomegranate, I think that's on the other tail. And the Tower. The Star. Oh, she's up with the stars. I like that. Yep, I do. I like that. Wow, this is so nice. The Moon. The Sun. It's got all the elements that have the sun. And Judgment. And the World. And here is the Fool. Right back at the beginning. He's got the white rose, the dog. He's jumping off a cliff, taking the risk, and it's actually falling apart. And he's got the brilliant sun of the day. And here is a Jester card. And another Jester card. Ooh, I like it. I like it so much. Tell me what you think in the comments, okay? I'm going to pause it, and then we'll shuffle, and we'll see what else we can get. We'll do a message from it. Thanks. Okay, so let's shuffle these cards. They are just gorgeous. They feel great, and they shuffle nicely. They don't feel like they're going to be wrecked. I do like that. I do like that. Okay, so we're going to see what message we get from this deck right now for us all who's watching. Okay, so we have, first of all, the Magician. Okay, the Magician can manifest and pull down from what is above down below. Look at that. He's got all the tools. He's got the hearts, the spades, the clubs, and the diamonds. He's got everything he needs. And there's action. You can tell there's wind blowing. They're flying. The flowers are flying. And then we have the Ace of Swords. So this magician is likely going to get a new idea and make something, create something brand new and get new ideas from Spirit. And then he's going to alchemize it with the Temperance card and make something new. Okay, he might be finding two things, taking that Ace of Swords, which is a very spiritual card, and he's going to make something really victorious. Because look at that crown there. This is lovely. I'm just loving this deck. Tell me what you think of these cards, and do let me know what you think this reading says, if it speaks to you as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. I'm also just going to show you the backs of the decks. They are very pretty. Can you see what they look like up close? They're really pretty. And let's just shuffle a little bit here. And I know some people don't do this, but I'm going to do it because I love shuffling. I learned this when I was a little kid, so I love doing it. Okay, so they shuffle nice. I'm going to try it one more time. Okay. Oh, gorgeous. I gotta say, just gorgeous.